What is up, everybody? Welcome to Jack Stan Builds. Welcome if you're new. Today we are working on a C6 Corvette here with an LS3 in it. And what we're going to be doing is installing an A&A supercharger kit and a set of Speed Engineering long tube headers and X-pipe on this beautiful car. So without further ado, let's get this thing torn down, get it back together, and get it on the dyno. So I've already started with the basics here, removing the spark plug wires off of the coils. Removing the engine covers as well, unplugging the O2 sensors on both sides as well. Now what I have to do is remove this intake. I've already unplugged the mass airflow sensor and this vacuum. Should come out. There we have it. Now I can see the front drive. I'm going to go ahead and remove this cover off the top of the radiator. It's held in by a couple 10 millimeters on each side. And then we'll work on the front drive here, work on getting it off so that we can mount our A&A supercharger kit. So I went ahead and removed the headers and the cats as well. Grinded down these front stubs on the water pump because that's what A&A calls for to make it fit, along with this little corner right here on the water pump. So I got the little bracket bolted up to the head there and the water pump, originally where the tensioner went. Also got the rack out of the way, pulled that crank bolt, drilled the crank, pinned the crank, put the new crank bolt in. So now what I'm about to do is, got a little bit of a mess here, but I'm about to put this A&A supercharger onto the bracket here. So I got the radiator trimmed up. I know it looks like garbage. I hate it too, but that's what they want you to do. Got the supercharger belt all mounted and stuff. It's all tight now, ready to go there. Just now ran the intercooler piping under here, kind of 90s over here, and then 90s again, and then goes up to the supercharger up there. This is the blow-off valve. I've got it mounted right here. I'm not gonna put a filter on it because we want the most noise out of this thing. You know, we want that obnoxious whoosh, whoosh noise out of it, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna run the vacuum for it. I'm about to install this pipe right here from the intercooler up to the throttle body. By the way, here's the intercooler mounted up right there. So I'm about to install this pipe right here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and install really tight pipe that goes right here. You pull on the radiator a little bit and it goes right there, kind of like just comes up over it and comes up down, and then you put your air filter there. So I'm gonna go ahead and install those pipes, and then we'll get this cover over this radiator so that you can't see this trash anymore, and we'll go from there. All right, folks, so we made it out here to Dedicated Motorsports with the C6. So now what we're about to do is dyno this thing and see what she makes. Here's the vet right here. Got her all hooked up to the dyno. There's our supercharger. The A&A Corvette. All set up with our long tube headers. Right now, it's just the open X pipe to the I couldn't even connect it to the mufflers. It has boiler mufflers on it, so the Speed Engineering pipes wouldn't work with the boiler mufflers. So basically we've got an open X pipe until he welds the exhaust at a muffler shop or has them install the clamps. Let's do some pulls on this thing and see what she does on the dyno. I don't really predict a whole lot of horsepower just because it's on really low boost, but I mean, we'll see. First pull, baby. 566 on the first pull.
I am.
You lit? Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Oh my god.
You like that shit?
Yes, bro, that shit's crazy.
Hell yeah.
Dude, it feels so different.
Headers only?
Yeah, headers only. Yeah.
Hey.
Headers in tune.
Headers in tune, baby.
That's crazy. Oh my god.
This nice Corvette is leaving the shop. Made 608 wheel horsepower on 93 on 9 pounds of boost. Do y'all want to know what a jack stand build sticker can do for your life? Look at my recent customers' interviews.
Ever since I got this jack stand build sticker, I can finally run 6 second times on the track.
I ordered my jack stand build sticker. I found a wallet with $100 in it.
Wait a second. Fuck.
Man, since I got this Jackson Bill sticker, it saved my life. I'm off crack.
These are... Folks, these are not paid actors. These are real people. So for just $5, you can get your Jack Stand Build sticker. Hit me up on Instagram at Jack Stand Builds. Hit me up in the comments. But with that being said, thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. We're going to get more content flowing out of this channel. Got this V here. Got some pretty serious builds up in the shop right now that I'm working on. So we're almost done with another video that I'm working on. So I can't wait to show you what we got going next. I'll see y'all later. Peace.